Hey. So we here at the Hertz. We about to pick up a Mercedes. Nah, not really. She's Mercedes. Yeah, so we're actually here at the Hertz. My aunt's trying to like sort some stuff out for this trip. So
giant bus rental.
A giant
bus.
Lifetime. Taking a school bus.
Getting school.
So just here pretty much waiting for all that to be sorted out. And what I've noticed and realized that renting a car is like, it's no joke. There's like so much details. Look at sign away your life right there.
Get it.
So I'll see you guys back whenever like I'm outside and stuff.
Mercedes.
I don't want to.
I'm sorry.
I mean, I'm cool with it. I'm gonna figure it out. I just have to come here first and figure out if this is where I'm gonna be accepted or if it's another tropical
That's
island.
not an easy thing, I'll tell you that.
I'm like, is it another tropical island? I just have to start going to them.
No, no, this isn't just for the generator already number.
So right now we're leaving Shaba.
Welcome to the Norman Manley International Airport. Passengers are reminded
like
not
Shaba,
to
sir.
keep any bag on
So like, this is what we're about to pick up.
Showed in the photo.
We about to pick up this. It's gonna be awesome. Nah, it's not gonna be this. I'm sorry, man. Nah.
That wouldn't be big enough.
No, it wouldn't be. Definitely not. I think the van that we're getting is one of those vans that, like when someone finally gets it, they go, yeah, someone actually finally rented this van. Finally! But it's a lot of people, so we have to get something that's like practical. I'm George. You are?
Bonnie. George. Yeah, exactly. And what do you count as damage?
Damage would be any mark that goes into the color.
Oh gosh, the look of this van really hurts. And of course we were doing like our checks, like the light check, make sure that everything that they gave us with is in proper working order. And of course gas only, would never put juice in there.
Yeah.
And
Still the stock might be about 55 US.
where is it? It's, what is that now, like half tank?
No, it's on a 40 tank now.
We can get some at Crossroads, it's cheaper there. Yeah. So it's really funny, like I'm here talking to Mercedes and like she's really enjoying the sun and stuff because where she's from it's really cold. And I'm here with the sun whipping me in my back. All I'm thinking about is it's so
much.
yeah, she's like more sun. And I'm like but like I know like a lot of you are actually in really cold places, so right now you guys are really appreciating seeing the sun. So you want to see more sun? Check it. Beautiful, beautiful sunlight. Everybody neighbors? Alright. Up our road, up down. So guys, we're pretty much about to leave out. It's been a long time since I've drove like an automatic. An automatic. It's been a minute.
It's still really easy.
Yeah, it should be.
I love it. Or it doesn't really.
We have arrived at our destination.
So, just got out. We're finally at our spot for the next couple of days, so it's gonna be awesome. Have a little aquarium thing, or pond, sorry. Definitely a small lounge area. Can relax. Nice big ceiling fan, which is great. Small little dining area, kind of. It's pretty quiet, just awesome. Then we have the doorway, the entryway. Nice glass, I like that. Woo! Of course, great Bob Marley, legend, don't forget that. Of course, gold shoes. And take a quick look at the kitchen. Ooh, nice and spacious kitchen. Nice fridge, of course, dining. Yeah, you guys get the idea. Pretty nice. I like the whole wooden thing that's going on there and stuff. Nice shiny wooden floors, clean. Definitely like a library area, which is great. Oh, Al Pacino. Man, they got some legends in this house. Al Pacino. Little TV area. Can chill and stuff. I think I'm taking this area. I'm dominating this area. Definitely. Can get some work done there, but back again at Mr. Al Pacino, Scarface. Yo, move it, bud.
We'll probably come back. Yeah. And your mom will probably. Yeah. Listen, come here, Steven, my brother. Yeah. Yes, show Steven. This is just a bathroom. Come on in, people.
Look at this. Hit the lights.
Where are you spending most of my time at? No, I'm just kidding.
Yeah, hit the lights, Malachi. You got the lights on?
Okay, no.
It's not that
Bam.
It's not that bright, but it's pretty good. Hit that Quan. Put you on the spot. Hey, hey. He's out.
I got the moves.
Of course, you got that bidet. You know, well, this one doesn't work. But usually, that's where you like clean your ass crack and stuff, or your vagina. Yeah. Ooh, look at this, man. Do you know how much things can happen? Oh, it's about to go down.
No,
Huge shower.
I'm on you right now. Just put all the shower water on you.
Dude, get out of here. Of course, yeah, it's a really huge space. You can do a lot of stuff in here, of course. But of course, you guys are gonna see a lot more of it. Bedroom. I'm not too digging this bedroom. It's definitely nice, but like I prefer that little cozy spot back down there. Let's see. Okay. It's nice.
Oh, that's the pool.
Oh, the pool. Yeah, we need to check that out. Okay. I kind of think I'm a little bit lost. Oh, okay. Here's another bedroom. It's pretty dope in here. Woo. Again, Bob Marley the legend. Yep. And then, of course, Bob Marley. Oh no, not Bob Marley. You cut your locks. I'm sorry. Bob Marley. Again, and then the regular bathroom, average size bathroom. Of course, the ugly guy that's, you know, getting you these videos out there. So that's good. And yeah. This is for all the people who think like in Jamaica they're not like nice houses. Dude, you're wrong. And there's even nicer houses than these. Oh, another room here. I like this one. This one is yours, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I like this one. Nice lighting for this room. Calm, relaxing. This is where all the action goes down.
Yo, what?
All the action goes down in this room right here.
No.
What are you saying? No action for you?
Shut up.
Oh man.
It's only.
Look.
I don't have a girlfriend, it's okay.
Don't worry. Yeah, and that's it for that room. How do you not have a girlfriend that you have on Jordans? It means you're not wearing them right. What? You're not wearing those Jordans right, boy.
What?
Boy!
I don't think that's accurate.
I think it's pretty accurate. Okay. Luckily, I'm not tall, so like I won't bump my head there. So fortunately, and then we have our giraffe here. He's actually a friendly giraffe. Sometimes he helps us with the mail. He gets the mail and stuff and the internet connection.
Got that.
And how do we get outside? Oh, I'm trying to find outside. Oh, this is pretty freaking big. Oh, great. Outside.
So I'll probably have some work guys come around
Okay.
in the week.
Oh,
I'll text you about housekeeping and shower.
Yeah.
This opens.
so definitely it's covered up top, but it lets in light. So you can obviously relax and chill and stuff.
So which key is?
Oh, this one is.
Oh, not real grass. Not real grass.
It's the back and then the front.
Oh, grill.
Outdoor kitchen. There's a sink.
Whoa,
Acting like it works.
it's pretty dope.
Right?
It's pretty dope. And then we had this looks like a greenhouse kind of. Not like a greenhouse, but it's pretty warm in there. But a little bit run down, but who cares? And an outdoor seating area.
Come on, the grill works.
Yeah, I'm sure we can get it working.
The accent might work.
Is it electric? No.
Mm-mm.
That one, the other one is gas.
I think.
Sorry,
so.
not electric, gas.
It can, yeah.
But this one can use coal, right?
Mm.
Yeah. And yeah. So right
You'll
now
be able to use
we're
cold in this one.
uptown. Yeah, in Jamaica, we call that the uptown area. Uptown. That's their thing. And then you have like the neighbors, pretty much.
Like a good neighbor. State Farm is there.
You're funny.
Oh, that's cute.
Yeah.
A footprint. Mosaic foot.
You know, I'm 13 years old, so if you watch the video and you're 13, you know, just follow me on Instagram, you know, Wolfboy12.0. I'm lit. I do all kinds of crazy stuff.
All right.
I'm not always at school doing random stuff.
Yeah, out here is pretty relaxing. And then I think here would have been like a pond, a continuous pond maybe. Or is it floor lighting? I don't know.
Yeah, that's a pond.
Yeah.
Because there's Steven.
The fish. Yeah.
There's a pond right here. There's two, I think.
Let me show you my ex-girlfriend. like we used to be together like for a minute, but like
She's like 70 something years old now.
yeah, we were together in the afterlife.
Okay,
the
what?
past.
Bro, see, Steven, you're
What's up, baby?
you're still alive.
I still love you, okay?
She ugly anyways.
Oh, she ain't ugly. She's beautiful. Okay, tell us about your type of girl. What's your type? Took too long.
Oh my god.
Took too long, bro. Is there gonna be a chef?
Yeah, he said that we can get a chef starting tomorrow.
Oh snap! Look at that chef.
Yep.
Yeah. Hi, I don't have food. I don't have food.
He's looking at the big guy for food, obviously. See?
The little guys are feeder fish. He won't eat them.
If he's hungry, yeah, he might.
Oh, Lord.
I have two turtles and 3 really big goldfish that were supposed to be feeders. Fish.
Because now it's all.
Look at that, like one with nature. It's pretty dope. Well, me, if I put my foot on the floor, burn off. Hot. Too hot. Too hot.
So you guys are just here for vacation?
Yeah.
Just chilling?
Yeah.
Oh, so